MKBHD, otherwise known as Marquez Brownlee, is one of, if not the most popular tech YouTuber on the planet. All of his videos are shot on Red cameras, which cost more than some cars, and his studio, he himself said that he spent millions on it. And he has team members that literally get paid to make his videos look as good as possible. But let's get to the actual reason why we're here today, because I just recreated this entire shot by myself in my living room with only one thing: a couple of everyday household items, random tech devices, and my iPhone 15, not even the Pro model. And I'm not going to be that YouTuber and make you wait till the end to see it. So I'm going to show you the original clip, then I'm going to show you my version. Let's cut to it right now.
This is a pencil. It's 7.7 millimeters thick. This is the S25 Ultra. It's 8.2 millimeters thick. And this is the S25 Edge. It's just 5.8 millimeters thick. We gotta talk about these ultra thin phones.
This is a calculator, and it is 23 millimeters thick. This is an Apple charger, and it is 22 millimeters thick. And this is the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and it is 11 millimeters thick. Let's talk about the revolution of thin devices. Now you're probably wondering why this video is actually pretty short, and that's because the process of making this shot, it's not that hard. So this is what I did. I took 4 pieces of blue construction paper and taped them together. That makes the actual background. Then I got some boxes, or maybe if you want to shoot this on your floor, you can even just use your wall, and you want to lean it up to where it curves. This gives you a seamless background and foreground that is all one color. Next thing I did was simply set some boxes on my floor, and I literally built a Lego camera rig to hold my camera upright. Next up was just picking what you actually wanted in the shot. So I just used my old school calculator, my charging brick, and my old CMF Nothing watch. Next thing you want to do is just line up the devices or whatever it is from thickest to thinnest. So I just did calculator, charging brick, watch. Next thing you want to do is just get your camera, set it up, and hit record, and then record yourself just picking up the devices one by one. You don't even have to time them correctly, because in CapCut, which is what I edited this on my phone by the way, you can do it all post-edit to make everything timed perfectly. Last thing you want to do is make sure you get the device that is the thinnest and set it in the middle of some paper. Preferably the same color as the paper that you had curved, and you can just use the same stuff. And now I want you to take a lot of deep breaths, because this is definitely the most frustrating part. I had to shoot this part over 20 times, but maybe if you're calmer than me, you can get it on the first try. This is the hardest one because you have to get as close to the original shot as possible. So what you do is you hold your phone on the side view and you gradually move up to the top view. This is the hardest thing because Marquez used a really expensive, like $1 million robot to get this shot. All we have are ourselves, guys, so just, be careful and shoot as many times as you need to. But by doing all of that, you have all the shots that you need now. And then you can go into Canva so you can do your post edit. The post edit is really simple. All you have to do really is just cut up all your shots and make them either longer or shorter using the time dilation feature inside of CapCut to make it match MKBHD shot. Or if you don't care about exact timing, then just use your original shots and just stitch them together. It's that easy. And with that, you have your own professional, really cool looking MKBHD shot. I'm trying to become the next MKBHD, but in order to do that, I need money. So I'm really trying to monetize this channel. So if you like this video at all or you learned anything from it, then please consider subscribing. Really helps me out. I'm a one-man show, and that just helps me out a little bit. And if you want to see more videos like this of me recreating shots from MKBHD's channel or any other channel, drop them in the comments down below and I'll try my best. But that is all for today's video. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. But I gotta say peace, because my shoulder's getting real tired from holding up this camera. Because of the nature of this video, I have to hit the MKBHD outro. So that's all for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is a calculator, and it is 23 millimeters thick. This is an Apple charger, and it is 22 millimeters thick. And this is the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and it is 11 millimeters thick. Let's talk about the revolution of thin devices.